Now that you understand how to create a property, we'll look at the kind of information you can record. Simple entry techniques are found in the main report item screen. To get into the report item screen, select an item in the list and tap the comment button in the bottom right corner. The name of the item and the area it is in are displayed in the title bar at the top. The notepad is where you can enter your comments about the condition of the current item. Simply tap on the notepad and start typing on the keyboard. Tapping done on the keyboard will stop your editing. There are 3 buttons to the right of the notepad which would make your text entry much easier, but these are covered in subsequent tutorials. A picture is worth 1,000 words and can absolutely be the easiest way to record a hard-to-describe item or problem that you come across. How you add photos to your report will depend on whether you have an iPhone or iPod Touch with a built-in camera or an iPod Touch without one. If you have a built-in camera, simply tap on the camera icon here to start up the camera. Use the button in the middle near the home button to take the photo. Once you've taken a photo, it will show you a preview, at which time you can either use it or retake it. If you don't have a built-in camera, then the photo selection popover will appear. Select the photo you want to attach. Having added a photo, we will look at what options you have for editing your photos. When you first add a photo, you will be taken straight to the photo description screen. You can use the keyboard to enter the description into the notepad, but Phrasestorm will be significantly easier. For more information on using Phrasestorm, see the Phrasestorm tutorial. There is an additional phrase type in the photo description screen with the camera icon. These phrases help you describe photos more easily. Once you've entered the description, tap the back button and you'll be taken back to the image editing screen. The top half of this screen shows the photo itself, while the bottom half lists the image description as well as any image tags you decided to add to the photo. To add a tag to the photo, tap the Add Tag button in the list. The tag editing screen will appear, giving you the option to select the colour the tag will be. Select a colour and then tap on the image where you want the tag to appear. This will take you to the tag description screen where you can enter the text you want the tag to represent. Tapping the back button will take you back to the image editing screen with your new tag showing in yellow. At this point you can move the tag by dragging it around the image. The simple tag may be sufficient for your needs, however, if you'd like to be more specific about what you're indicating, you can add a pointer by tapping anywhere else on the photo. An arrow is added between the tag and the point you've tapped. If the location of the pointer is not quite right, you can drag the circle at the end to a new location. You can add as many pointers to each tag as you need, although there are limits to how many pointers are sensible. If at any time you decide that you don't want a particular pointer, then you can delete it by double tapping on the circle at the end. When you finish modifying the tag, tap the Done button and it will change to its selected colour and the tag list will display again. Selecting a tag from the list will allow you to edit it again, while tapping on the accessories of either of the tags or the image description will allow you to edit the text associated. You can delete a tag in the list by swiping it and tapping the Delete button. Tapping the back button will take us back to the report item screen. You can edit a photo by tapping on it in the list, and you can delete the photo by swiping it and tapping the Delete button. Having finished basic information entry, you're now ready for Part 3, Phrasestorm.